What's going on? Michael Petty here. So just got my headlight changed on my car. Just got back from the shop. Headlight went out. So, the other day I had to leave one morning. I'm gonna put this down for the sunlight behind me. But I had to leave one morning and it was dark in the neighborhood. And I had one headlight, so it was real hard for me to see. So last night I had to run out somewhere. Dark roads, hard for me to see. I can turn on my brights, but you got cars coming on, I don't want to blind them. But despite all that, got the light change, and now I'm here to get some gas. But if I'm here on the way here, I was thinking about a strategy. I was thinking about, man, if people understood, you know, th- this is a very, very easy, the most easiest, the most simplest, and it's actually a real marketing strategy. Even though it don't seem like a marketing strategy, this is a marketing strategy. If you understand the fact that people are going to join you in a business opportunity because of you, because they like you, right? They resonate with you. It's something about you they enjoy, right? And that marketing strategy is being yourself. And people might say, "Oh, I thought you were gonna give me some real strategy." That is a real strategy. People join people. Now you can be yourself. Be relatable. That's a strategy. Listen, most people don't care nothing about high converting capture pages. When you brand new, trying to block the light. When you brand new, most people don't care. Most people who are brand new don't care about high converting capture pages. They don't even know what that is. Uh, uh, the psychology behind it, they don't know what that is. They learn it as you go. But to talk about it, to say, "Oh, we're gonna teach you psychology, we're gonna teach you trigger words and all that," they don't care. The end result is make money. I had a conversation with an individual the other day, and the person was saying that I really want to just engage, and I really want to get to find more people. And I said, okay, see, as affiliate marketer, network marketer, when you approach me, I already know the reason why. The end result is you want to make money. You want me to come out of my pocket and spend money with you. That's the end result. Every single look, all of us know this. Ain't no sense in sugarcoating it. Ain't no sense in lying about it. You're online to make money. But the whole thing about it is can I relate to the way you market? Do I like your strategy? Do I feel you? Right? That's why we gotta attract people. So I posted the other day, say, don't sell, attract people. Right? Sonica did that. So, and that's key. Attract people. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. So instead of trying to play with people's emotions or thought process or how they think, just be honest. We are here to make money. We are trying to make sales. I'm trying to make a sale, but I use attraction marketing to make my sales. Right? You're gonna see a link in this post. It's either gonna be in the post or it's gonna be down in the comments. And I was gonna put this just on Facebook, but I'm going to put this on YouTube too. So down in the description gonna be a link, and it's going to be to my primary business, get information about that. But you're going to also enter my list, and in that list, I give some ideas and some tips and some tricks on doing this thing. Very very simple, because I'm at the point now. If it ain't 1, 2, 3, ABC simple, I don't want to do it, because I need to share strategies and tactics that even if a brand new person start right now he can take that and start getting out there. So if you go to my blog, thepettiescorner.blog, got some new blog posts on there. I actually got to do a blog post about a content creation tool that I use to create content, right? Like a descriptions, tags, make everything simple, because a lot of people can't think about that stuff. Well, here's a tool that does it for you. You just got to copy and paste it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do a video. I might link the video. It's my last YouTube video if you're on YouTube, or I may link it, in the down description, and put a link on my blog after I put on my blog. But anyway, check that out. But listen, the simple strategy, the easiest strategy is to be yourself, share value. Well, Mike, I don't know value. Go to the pettiescorner.blog and read my blog post. I share it. So take that information that I'm sharing with you, and then you go out and share it, right? Attract people to you. Just be yourself. Don't try to be no guru. Don't try to be the person with all the answers. If you ask, I don't have all the answers. I don't have all the answers, but I can get the answer. If you ask me a question, and another thing, like I said, I ain't got a problem helping you out. I made a decision. I'm going to help people out because to get what you want, you got to help others get what they want. Right? Zig Ziglar. So just be yourself. Give value. Attract people. Stop trying to sell because selling don't work, but telling works. And here's a concept of the psychology I can share with you right now. All right. From birth, Papa said there's another video. From birth, our parents tell us what to do. We go to school, teachers tell us what to do. Right? We go to a job tell us what to do. Right? We get a mentor for a mentor to tell us what to do. So the psychology behind that is tell people what to do. Click the link down in the description. Enter your name and email address on that page. Look out for my emails. I'm going to be giving you some valuable information. Michael Petty signing off. See you in the next video.